Come test drive the 2017 BMW 2 Series. The BMW 2 Series is a powerful and fuel-efficient machine which comes with exceptional handling, high-quality interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.